name is Cheedaana Sirju, and for my internship, I had the most wonderful opportunity to be placed with Rams Logistics to work as an intern within the IMO department, which stands for Initiative Management Office. So within this department, we worked on various projects, which included comprehensive research surrounding the validity and viability of these projects. So this was done mainly through conducting market research, and in addition to this, we also contributed to the overall progress of new and ongoing projects in any way possible. With no prior work experience, I expected to join a strict and rigid work environment which would have tasked me with tedious and mundane duties. However, Rams instead exceeded my expectations, and they instead provided a more than welcoming environment, even though we worked remotely, which encouraged my growth and granted me the opportunity to apply knowledge gained from school to real-world situations. One thing that has definitely left an impression with me is something the CEO of Rams, Mr. Sean Rampasad, always said to us. And this was, I quote, "This is not school anymore. This is real work where you don't just generate reports, but you translate them into a more useful manner." And I think that just speaks for itself. My main takeaway from this internship would be the professional experience I gained, as well as personally the confidence to finally step out of my comfort zone and to be braver and bolder in any environment I am in. My name is Cheedaana Sirju, business student today, business operations manager tomorrow.